Hey everyone, this is Naren and welcome back to a new session of English with me. This is part 1 of our new series, Speak English Fast. I know all of you watching this video is keen about speaking English. You all are trying really hard to speak English. And when I made a post about the problems that you face while learning English, most of the comments I received was about speaking. You are nervous to speak, you feel, less confident, or you don't know how to continue a conversation, your mind suddenly goes blank. You have a lot of problems related to speaking in English. So I thought, let's make a series on this topic. Let's start a new series about speaking in English. How can you speak English fast? What all practices you have to do, and I will also give you real English practices. You can practice it along with me. If you want to stop translating, speak English naturally, and feel confident when you're speaking English, you are in the right place. In today's video, I'll share the real secret behind speaking English fluently. We won't do any practice yet. It will be coming in part 2. But first, before practicing English speaking, you need to know how speaking works in English. Why speaking in English is a game changer. Let's start with this. Speaking is the skill that changes everything. Every aspect in English changes just by speaking. You know what? You could be great at grammar. You could understand any native speaker. You can pick up easily what they say. But if you can't respond or speak clearly, your English is incomplete. You know what? Speaking connects everything, your vocabulary, your confidence, your thoughts. All of the aspects in English is connected to speaking. And once you start speaking well, people notice. You feel proud. You feel powerful. So now, let's understand what stops you. Let's know what is stopping you from speaking, and let's break that first. I'll tell you a secret. I know the real reason why you are not speaking in English. Let's be honest. Most English learners don't speak much because they are afraid. Yes, afraid. Afraid of making mistakes, sounding silly, being judged, forgetting words. But guess what? Fluent speakers make mistakes too. The only difference is they don't stop. They keep speaking, they keep learning. Fluency is not about grammar. It's about confidence and flow. So stop waiting until you are ready. You become ready only after you start speaking. Speaking is a muscle. Use it or lose it. Think of speaking English like a muscle. If you don't use it, it will become weak. If you use it every day, it becomes strong. I'm not asking you to spend 5 hours a day to practice English speaking. Even 10 minutes of speaking daily will give you more results than reading 100 grammar rules. You can't think your way to fluency. You have to train your mouth. You have to train your mouth to speak. You should speak a lot to be fluent in English. Stop translating, think in English. One big problem many learners face is translating. You think in your native language and then convert it into English word by word. That slows you down. I'll give you an example. You are running and you are looking at a dictionary. You are looking at a dictionary and you are running. It will definitely slow you down. When you're trying to translate something from your native language into English, this same thing happens. It slows you down. It's like running while looking at a dictionary. Instead, learn to think in English. Simple English. Instead of thinking, आज मुझे काम पर जाना है, just think in English. I have to go to work today. Make simple sentences. Think simple sentences in English. Train your brain to think in simple sentences in English. Start small. Use simple thoughts. Speak it out loud. Now the most important question. What fluency really means? Just tell me what fluency means to you. Zero mistakes? Perfect English? Fast speed? Here's what fluency really means. You can speak without stopping. You can express your thoughts naturally. You don't get stuck searching for words all the time. It's not about sounding like a native speaker. It's about sounding like yourself, like your best self in English. Mindset shift. Think about this. Speak to learn and not learn to speak. Most learners try to study a lot before they start speaking. Speaking is the method, not the reward. You don't speak after you become fluent. You speak and you become fluent. Think of babies. They don't wait to learn grammar. They just speak. And slowly their brain organizes everything. I want you all to do this here. Don't wait for the perfect grammar or perfect sentence structure or anything. Just start speaking now. Just start speaking today, this moment. Start speaking in English however you can. Your brain will organize all your thoughts if you practice it continuously. If you practice speaking continuously, your brain will help you out. You can do the same like babies, but just with a little more awareness. Make speaking your daily training and not your final exam. Now, a small commitment for big results. Here's the good news. You don't have to speak for hours. Just 10 minutes a day. Continuously speaking. Every day you should practice English for 10 minutes. That is enough. You don't have to practice English every day for 2 hours or 5 hours. And also, practicing English only on weekends for 5 hours or 2 hours is not that effective. It's better to practice English every day for 10 minutes. Okay, do that every day for 10 minutes. It's better than practicing English only on weekends for 2 hours. In this series, I'll help you do that step by step. I'll help you practice English every day, step by step. But first, make this promise to yourself. I will speak English today, even if it's not perfect. Write that in the comment if you are ready. Now that you know all the truth about speaking in English, you are ready for part 2. A full 30-minute English speaking session with me. You will repeat, respond, describe and speak along with me. So make sure you subscribe, hit the bell and get ready. Because your English speaking journey is just beginning and it's going to be amazing. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye.